Good evening to you. Happy weekend. Hopefully you had a chance to enjoy this weekend. I know weather-wise wasn't great for much of the day yesterday with the cold rain. For the marathoners, if you were like me or those that participated in the mini marathon yesterday, it was kind of a rough going out there, but some improvements today with the return of sunshine and also quite a bit of humidity. It's because of the humidity and the sunshine that we saw the eruption of thunderstorms this afternoon, and it did lead to some severe reports. In fact, quite a bit of hail out towards the Charlestown, Indiana area. This photo by Scott Crocker, you can see it did accumulate to a couple inches, mainly small hail, but we did have some reports of hail to the size of up to golf balls for portions of our area, namely between Memphis and also Charlestown, Indiana. That seemed to be a hot zone. Also some sizable hail for Lanesville, for the Floyd Knobs area, and into portions of both Henry, Oldham, and also Shelby County. Some pretty good hail makers out there. Look at the wind and the hail in Memphis earlier. This is from Diamond Avery. It was really coming down, had winds upwards of 55 or 60 miles per hour. It did knock down a few trees across the area, but I think the big story today was the hail. This is from Charlestown. This was submitted to the WDRB weather app where that hail did accumulate again in many areas. Another photo from the Charlestown area. Look at that. It covered the yard. It almost looked like they had a wet snow out there, again, for portions of the area earlier. Now, we do officially continue with that severe thunderstorm watch. That goes until 8 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. An active warning just outside of our viewing area that's moving out of Martin and Greene County towards Lawrence. I'm not sure if they're going to continue that or not. I will mention that the Storm Prediction Center is, they're at least considering issuing watches for Lawrence, Jackson, and Jennings County. But I think overall the severe threat should go down a bit here as we go throughout the course of the evening with the loss of heat. With that being said, officially we do remain under that slight risk of severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center. Here's a look at the storm activity from earlier. You can see that eruption of thunderstorms for our central counties. They've been lifting off towards the north and east. Still a couple showers lingering behind, however. The hot spot up here for portions of Jefferson County in Indiana, northwestern Jefferson County. Here's Madison. You're up here towards the Jennings County line between near Deputy. Hot spot there. That could produce some hail. It's a strong thunderstorm moving towards the northeast, so it will impact DuPont eventually. North Vernon, you two will be impacted by this storm. There's that one severe cell, but it does not look like they're going to reissue that for Lawrence County. But a stronger thunderstorm could affect the town of Marshall here over the next 20 to 30 minutes to come. And also one little thunder shower eastern portions of Harrison County. This eventually will make its way into portions of Louisville, PRP Valley Station. A heavy downpour, but it doesn't look like there's a lot to it. It looks like it's kind of struggling a little bit. And overall, as mentioned, I think we will see improvements this evening. At last check in Louisville, a rain-cooled 70 degrees. We've got mostly cloudy skies. Northwesterly wind at about 8 miles per hour. You can see if you're going to be heading out this evening, we keep that rain chance, but it's not real high. 30% over the next couple of hours, and we'll go up to about 40 or 50% here by midnight tonight, and then rain chances should tone down a bit into the day tomorrow. But we do have more rain chances starting tomorrow, Tuesday as well. It's going to turn much, much colder this week. We're talking about temperatures some 15, 20 degrees below normal heading into Derby. But will it warm up for Derby? I'll let you know. We'll cover the detailed forecast for you tonight on WDRB News.